What is a temporary consumer unit? A consumer unit, commonly known as a fuse box or distribution board, is the central hub that distributes electrical power within a property. It contains circuit breakers, residual current devices known as RCDs, or fuses that protect the wiring and electrical appliances from faults and overloads. A temporary consumer unit is a specifically installed, often portable, version of this distribution system and temporarily used during electrical works. It provides a controlled and safe power source for tools, lighting and testing equipment while the main supply to the property is disconnected or undergoing upgrades. Unlike permanent consumer units, the temporary units are designed for quick installation and removal, offering flexibility and safety during complex electrical projects. They adhere to strict safety standards, ensuring that both electricians and clients are protected from electrical hazards during the installation and transition phase. The role of temporary consumer units in rewiring projects. Rewiring existing property or large outbuildings is a complex task that involves replacing outdated or faulty wiring, installing new circuits and ensuring compliance with current electrical safety regulations. During these projects, the main electrical supply to the property is often switched off to facilitate safe work on the wiring system. Here's where the temporary consumer unit becomes essential. It provides a safe power source during disconnection. When the main power is turned off, electricians need a reliable and safe power source to operate their tools, testing equipment and temporary lighting. A temporary consumer unit supplies these essentials without relying on the original, potentially compromised wiring. This setup minimises the risk of electrical shock or fire hazards, enabling work in complete darkness or low light conditions. Large rewiring projects often involve working in poorly lit areas, tunnels or outbuildings where illumination is limited. Temporary lighting powered through the temporary consumer unit ensures that the electricians can work accurately and efficiently, reducing errors that could compromise safety or quality. It also facilitates testing and commission. Before the newly installed wiring and consumer unit are connected permanently to the main power supply, they need to undergo rigorous testing. This temporary unit allows electricians to verify the operation of new circuits, check for faults and ensure that all protective devices are functioning correctly. This step is critical to avoid complications later on. Testing and final inspection of an electrical rewire. The electricians conduct complete testing, insulation resistance, earth continuity, RCD operation and circuit integrity with the temporary setup. Moving on, transition to the permanent system. Once all testing is passed, the temporary unit is disconnected and the new wiring is connected to a new, compliant, permanent consumer unit integrated into the main supply. This staged approach minimises disruption, enhances safety and ensures a smooth, compliant transition from old to new wiring. So in conclusion, a temporary consumer unit is an indispensable tool in modern electrical rewiring projects. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.